Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to write a base64 encoded field content from Suds to a file in Python 3. Introduction. Suds is a popular Python library for working with SOAP web services. When working with SOAP services, you may encounter base64 encoded data, often in the form of attachments. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of extracting and writing a base64 encoded field content from Suds to a file using Python 3. We'll also provide a code example to illustrate the steps involved. Prerequisites: Python 3.x installed on your system. Suds library installed. You can install it using pip. A SOAP web service that returns base64 encoded content as part of its response. Step 1. Import necessary modules. In your Python script, start by importing the required modules. Step 2. Create a Suds client. Create a Suds client to connect to the SOAP web service and access the base64 encoded content. Step 3. Call the SOAP method. Invoke the SOAP method that returns the base64 encoded field content. Ensure you capture the response in a variable. Step 4. Decode and write the content to a file. Decode the base64 encoded content and write it to a file. Be sure to replace output_file name with the desired file name and extension, example output.pdf. Step 5. Run the script. Save the script, and run it using Python 3. The base64 encoded content will be extracted from the SOAP response and saved to the specified file. Code example. Here's a complete Python script with the above steps for your reference. Remember to replace http://your-soap-service-url with the actual URL of the SOAP service and your_soap_ method with the appropriate SOAP method name. Once you run this script, it will save the base64 content to the specified file. ChatGPT.